Hello, I'm Bob Arrigo. We're on site today in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. We're about to put up two sets of 50-inch channel letters with a 57-inch logo. 5 stories up on this building behind me. It's a chip stone wall, so it's going to present its difficulties, but we'll get it done. There's a few issues that we've got to take care of before we get started on this. There are some honey locust trees that are against the wall here. They've matured to the point that they're really blocking aerial access to the wall we need to get to. It's 5th story level. So at any rate, we'll keep you in tune here for today, and so we make out. So the letters are all done and ready to go. Here they are in the shop. Lots of LED in these letters. They can be nice and bright. Just get them packed up and loaded on the truck and ready to go. Here's a view of the trees to see the difficulty that we're facing on this. We've got the arborist in. The arborist is going to cut everything down that's in the way and give us aerial access. So that's done, and now we've got clearance to the wall. Trailer's on site with all the letters, the brackets, the hardware, everything we need. We've got a 60-foot boom that will reach to 5 stories, and just getting that in position now. It's a tight squeeze getting through all these trees and landscaping, but that's done. And just checking the height. We're going to get some measurements for the center of the wall, width-wise and height-wise, to see where we're going with our pattern. It's a good day for an install, though. It's not too hot, not too windy, no rain. That's the drill pattern going up right now. That's going to give us an exact position to drill the holes to mount the letters. Well, it's a hot one out here today. But we're getting there. We've ran into a few issues that we knew we would with the chip stone, but nevertheless they've been overcome, and we've got the first piece up, which you can see right behind me there. So we'll keep going. So there we have the first set of metal cans up, as we refer to them in the business. Wiring has gone through the wall with an 18-inch Hilti drill bit, and that's pushed through, and we'll do the connection on the back, of course, to power, and then next step, we'll get the faces on, and one set will be complete. So I'm up on the roof of the building, and we're getting ready to hook up the wiring, and I'll just give you a little view of what this looks like. We used liquid tight wiring, which is required for exterior applications, and waterproof power boxes as well. So here they are. All the cabling is through now for this first set of letters. This is the power box. With our transformers inside, everything ready to go, and that's all weatherproof. We're going to be loading all these letter faces onto the boom all at once. Save the time for running up and down with that boom, as it does take some time. But they're all up there. We'll pass them off to our man on the roof to store them while we're able to put these faces on one at a time. There's 1-inch trim cap around these letters that we can screw through with special metal clips that'll hold the faces securely. Of course, our boom operators are professionally trained, and they're harnessed in and for maximum safety. Well, the weather's turned quite hot today, after all, and I'm standing under the shade of some trees, but my boom operators aren't so lucky. They're exposed to the full heat of the sun. So at any rate, we're just about done here with this first set. We've got one more set to go, but it's a repeat of this, what you've just seen. So we'll skip that and video, and one more shot to get, which is all these letters lit up beautifully. So we'll come back at night and get a shot of that. So it's late at night now. The crew's been working for a couple of days. The electrician's been here. I'm back on site to check out both these sets of these letters. And you can see them right behind me. Took a shot from down the highway, because there's a highway right across from the building here. And about a mile away you can see these things clear as a bell. So that's it. Once again, I'm Bob Arrigo. I appreciate you watching. I hope you'd enjoy this. See you again next time.